Hi, I'm Jamie Dove, and on today's episode, we unbox some glazes. So today, I finally get to unbox the glazes that I purchased, I don't know, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago maybe? Something like that. Anyway, I ordered them, they came in, but I wasn't near ready to actually glaze stuff. I was still actually making things, trying to get enough to load up the bisque kiln to fire. And then right as I fired my big old bisque load, I went on vacation. Family and I went down to the Florida Keys, went down to Long Key, and it was just absolutely wonderful. It was really cool. We went to the Dolphin Research Center. We went to the Turtle Hospital down in Marathon, and we went out with some friends on a boat and did some snorkeling, came across a bunch of really cool stuff underwater, and it was just awesome. The family, I had a great time and kind of recharged. But the thing is, I could not wait to get back to unbox the glazes. All I could think about was getting to my glazes, and future episode right here, future episode. My extruder got delivered while I was away. So imagine me the whole time, there I am, sun, surf, sand, water, bubbles, and fish, and I got an extruder waiting for me. I couldn't wait. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm gonna unbox these things here, and let's just check it out. So those are the 8 glazes I chose to start with. I've used a couple of them before. I've used the blue rutile, which is a gorgeous blue, runs a little bit. You just gotta have to play with it to control it. Ancient jasper, same thing. It's a little runny, but man, it really looks good when it breaks over stuff. I saw the test tiles of the other ones, the Albany slip, that brown, just the way that changes. It just looks really, really cool. I can't wait to test that one out. I'm a sucker for green, so that true celadon, just the way that looks in crevices, that just looks really, really cool. Lustrous jade, it looks like it's just gonna cover every layer on top and let it run. I tell you what, I'm really excited about this seaweed, and that just seems to have like all kinds of stuff going on in there. Textured amber brown just looks so cool, like one of those glazes that has depth to it. Who doesn't like a good chino? That's just a great standard glaze to go with. That's just one of those glazes I think that you can mix and match with other things to kind of get runs, to kind of see how they work together, how they break apart over a texture. I've got a bunch of new glazes, so I can get to work here. First thing I need to do is glaze those test tiles, fire them, see how things work, how they react, and then get busy glazing some pieces and load up that kiln. Keep it going, get that whole process going. It's a lot of fun. I'm so excited to be doing that. Probably won't be back until everything is fired, and I can show you that. In that time frame, I'll probably have enough time to shoot the extruder video. Woo! I know, I'm pretty pumped about that as well. Anytime you get equipment, you know, you just got to get excited about it. Anyway, do me a favor, like, share, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe. Follow me as I continue on this fun little reboot of my my pottery business from back in the day. Like I said, I'm totally enjoying what I'm doing and digging this ride. So come on with me, and like I said, just hit subscribe, hit like, tell your friends. Hey, there's a dude out there making pottery. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you next time.